Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade solution specifically designed for Dell PowerEdge servers, the ATEC 256GB kit. This kit comprises 8 32GB DDR3 ECC LRDIMM modules, clocked at 1866 MHz, or PC3-14900. If you're running a Dell PowerEdge C6222, M620, M820, R420, R420XR, R520, R620, R820, R920, T420, or T620, this memory kit is engineered for compatibility. One of the key features is that it's ECC load reduced, or LRDIMM. This is crucial for servers because it allows for higher density memory configurations without putting excessive strain on the memory controller. The modules operate at the standard DDR3 voltage of 1.5V, adhering to JEDEC standards. The primary benefit of upgrading to 256GB of RAM is a significant boost in system performance. With more memory available, your server can handle larger datasets, run more virtual machines, and manage more concurrent users without experiencing performance bottlenecks. This is especially important for demanding workloads like virtualization, database management, and high-performance computing. Installation is designed to be straightforward. ATEC emphasizes a quick and easy install, suggesting that no specialized expertise is required. However, always refer to your server's manual for specific instructions on memory installation, including proper seating and channel configuration. Incorrect installation can prevent the system from booting or recognizing the new memory. ATEC memory modules undergo rigorous quality control testing to ensure reliability. This testing aims to minimize the risk of errors and ensure stable performance under heavy loads. The kit is also backed by ATEC's limited lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind. Their tech support team is available to assist with any questions or issues you might encounter, both before and after your purchase. In summary, the ATEC 256GB DDR3 ECC LRDIMM kit is a solid option for upgrading the memory capacity of compatible Dell PowerEdge servers. Its high capacity, ECC error correction, and load-reduced design make it well-suited for demanding server environments. The ease of installation and ATEC's warranty further enhance its appeal. If you're looking to improve the performance and responsiveness of your Dell PowerEdge server, this memory kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.